Hi TFT team! In this video, we will cover trade copiers. What is allowed and what is not allowed. Understanding the guidelines and restrictions surrounding trade copiers is crucial for ensuring compliance with account regulations. Let's dive in and learn how to use trade copiers effectively and in line with the rules. Traders have the ability to utilize their TFT account as a master account, enabling you to copy trades to your personal account or another prop firm trading account. Traders are allowed to copy to and between Royal accounts or Knight accounts. We are pleased to offer you the option to acquire allowance for Trade Copier for the standard challenge as well, which can be done by selecting the option before completing the order. Make sure that auto trading is enabled when you set up your copy trading. And here is how you can set it up. All TFT accounts, Standard, Rapid, Royal, and Knights, as well as your personal or other prop firm account, can copy trades to Royal and Knight account. If you have acquired allowance for Trade Copier on the standard challenge, you can copy trades from all TFT accounts, personal account, or other prop firm accounts to the standard challenge as well. Please note that if copying trades from any outside account to any TFT account that allows trade copiers, all trades taken must be placed by the owner of the TFT account. Traders are not allowed to copy trades from any account to Rapid account. Rapid account can only be used as a master account. Copying trades to accounts belonging to other traders is strictly prohibited. Using any form of copy trading service, account management, or pass-through challenge services will be considered a violation or breach, as all trades executed in TFT accounts must originate from the trader's own ideas and execution. I hope you find this video helpful. As always, feel free to reach out to our support team if you have any questions or need further clarification. Stay vigilant and good luck with your trading!